There are some advanced features you can use with modules, including adding prerequisites and locking a module. Locking the module means the module is inaccessible to students until a given date and time. To lock a module, click the vertical ellipsis beside the module name and choose Edit. Then click the box beside Lock Until and choose how long you want to lock the module. Choose Update Module when you are finished. For module requirements, students are locked from subsequent pages and activities in the module until they have completed the requirements. To set requirements, click the vertical ellipsis beside the module header and choose Edit. Then click Add Requirement. For this example, I will choose Students must complete all of these requirements. Choose whether you want students to complete the module sequentially or complete one item. For this example, I will choose Students must move through requirements in sequential order. Note if you choose Student must complete one of these requirements, you can choose the action you want the student to complete for the module requirements. Choose Update Module when you are finished. You can also add a prerequisite to a module and make it a prerequisite for the student to complete a previous module before they can access a subsequent module. Note that you need to put module requirements on the module you would like to be a prerequisite. To add a prerequisite, click the vertical ellipsis beside the module name, choose Edit, then choose Add Prerequisite. Then choose the module you would like to act as the prerequisite, followed by clicking Update Module. This concludes the tutorial.